All right, more people are going back to work, and that means more people on the road.
And of course, that can mean more accidents. So attorney Lawyer Twillie from the firm LA Law is joining us now because we're learning what we need to know in case that happens to us. Welcome, lawyer.
Hello, Scott, Kara, how are you?
Excellent. Love the tie, first of all. Just wanted to give that up right off the bat.
I wore this for you.
You look very spring.
Honest to God.
You know,
thought you might like it.
I love it.
You look very spring-like. It's very dapper. A lot of times if you get in an accident, I think the biggest question is, do I need to do something right away? Do I need to call the police? Do I need to call an attorney right away? What happens if I don't do it right away? And you don't really know the extent of anything at that point.
Right. I mean, that's a question that a lot of folks ask. And we've talked about this before. You should, as long as you don't need immediate medical attention. When you get home, you should be thinking about who you're going to talk to, and you should be thinking about hiring a lawyer. And, another question that a lot of folks ask when they call into us is, why should I choose you? And I think clients out there are becoming a little bit more sophisticated. So, they always ask that question. And I always tell them, if you hire us, you're going to be dealing with me and a team of 3. I handle all of the cases here at LA Law. We have a team of 3 working on those cases. And, we intentionally keep our caseload low so that we can handle the amount of work that we're receiving. And you may be surprised to learn this, but a lot of large personal injury firms, the face of those firms, will never do any substantive work, if any work, on your case at all. So I say, hey, when you're calling LA Law, you're going to be getting me. You're not going to be getting some other guy. Your case isn't going to get pushed off onto some other lawyer that you've never heard of and you don't know anything about. Okay. So that's important.
Laura, should we always call the police at the accident scene, regardless if it's just a minor fender bender to a major accident? Yes,
absolutely. Because a lot of times, immediately following a car crash, people are very honest and they say, "Oh my gosh, it's my fault. Here's my information." And then, if you just take them on at their word and you exchange information and go about your ways, you call your insurance company, you call their insurance company, and you find out, oh, they're telling you, they told us that you were actually at fault and not them. Right. So it's better to call an independent third party, the police, whether it's state or local, and have them come in and give their unbiased, independent, take on how the accident happened. Allow them to get statements from any witnesses and statements that they're put in writing on the actual police accident report.
Lawyer, what if you refuse medical attention because you think you're fine, and then later on you feel bad, which can often happen maybe if you're hit from behind, those soft tissue injuries, it's like a couple days later, you're like, I feel really bad, but I didn't get help.
Yes. Happens all the time. Almost in every accident we see that. And we get that question a lot. Can I still bring a claim? Absolutely. I mean, I'm not a doctor, but I've heard this enough times from my clients to know that immediately following an accident, there's an adrenaline rush for a lot of people, and they don't necessarily feel the tightness, the stiffness, the pain. That generally comes later, sometimes hours, 12, 18 hours after a car crash. So absolutely, you can bring a claim even if you refuse medical treatment at the scene. It doesn't hurt you at all.
All right, I can't afford you. What's the answer to that?
Great question. You absolutely can afford me. We work for free, essentially, on a contingency fee basis. So you get free legal representation up till we're able to help you win your case and collect money for your injuries on your case. So you absolutely can afford a lawyer. There's no reason why you shouldn't be calling us to figure out how we can help you, because you don't pay us by the hour. We only get paid if we help you recover money.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for your time. We appreciate that. Good to see you, as always.
Thank you for your... Yes, it's always a pleasure to see you.
And we have some information if folks are at home going, gosh, I want to talk more to you, Lawyer Twillie. You can go to LALawCT.com or follow Lawyer Twillie on social media at LALawCT or at GetLALaw on Instagram.
All right.